Okay, so are some example problems for your bell work. I can identify relative change when combining two quantities in ALEKS. And I just want to go over like two problems just so you guys can kind of see what it's looking for. So if you get stuck, you can refer back to this and hopefully it will help you out. So for each scenario, choose the best statement. And then scenario A is the company loses 19 employees and then gains 0 employees. Is the company size larger? Is the company size smaller? Or is the company size the same? So what you're doing when you're thinking about this is we don't know how many employees they started at. So in your head, or for the sake of this example, we're going to start at 0. So they started at 0, and then they lose 19. So there's them losing. We're taking away 19 employees. So now they have negative 19, or 19 less than what they had. And then they gain 0. So now they're still at negative 19. So their size is smaller than what it was before when we started. And you could have chosen any number to start with, right? We could have started with like 50. And we could have said, then they lose 19, which would have put them at 31. And then they add 0, and now they're at 31. And now it wants to know, is 31 more than, less than, or equal to 50? It's smaller, so the company size is smaller. So that's A. And then B says, a boxer gains 7 pounds and then loses 7 pounds. So we're going to say he starts at 100 pounds and he gains 7, so he adds 7 pounds. And so he's at 107 pounds. And then he loses 7 pounds. So we're going to subtract 7. And now he's back at 100 pounds. He wants to know, is the boxer above his starting weight? Is the boxer below his starting weight? Is the boxer 0 pounds from his starting weight? So if his starting weight was 100 and now he's at 100, his starting weight is 0 pounds, or his current weight is 0 pounds from where he started. And C, a roller coaster goes down 45 feet and then up 45 feet. So the roller coaster goes down 45 feet, then it goes back up 45 feet. And so if we take negative 45 and we add 45, we're back at 0. So the roller coaster is at its initial height. It went down from where it started and then shot back up. So those are some examples of how we would do the problems in the assignment. I can identify relative change when combining two quantities in ALEKS. Hopefully that helps.